A large demographic of young men seeking a father figure is exponentially growing. We can see that through the rise of all those financial, fitness, and relationship advice gurus. They are mentors. And yes, these mentors make a lot of money simply by talking, selling courses, offering personalized advice by calls, and even giving workshops. So what if we want to get in there without showing our own face? Well, yeah, that is where AI comes in. Here, look. This is the guy we are going to create today. This is what he sounds like.
Hello, I'm Marcus Sterling.
This is the next step. Forget the AI influencers. Everyone is already doing that, and the market is saturated. This is a new niche, the AI mentor. So let's get started. First of all, we need a passport-like photo of our AI mentor so we can create his identity. We could come up with a prompt and let AI generate such an image, but that takes too much time. I have found a far better and lazier way to get that passport-like image. Simply go to thispersondoesnotexist.com. When loading the page, you will see a picture of a person that is not real. Yes, it is AI. And when we refresh the page, we get a new face. So let's refresh it a couple of times till we get a male and someone that would fit for the AI mentor narrative. This one is perfect. Let's download it. That was fast, right? Well, now we will create 9 images to create his very own Instagram profile. I will show you 2 methods. The first one requires you to have Midjourney and the other one is completely free. So let's start with method 1. Go to the Midjourney website. Now, first of all, disable the personalize function like this. Now go to the settings and make sure you have selected version 7 and the standard mode. Now click on the image icon and then select the Omni reference mode. Now drag and drop the passport image there, like this. When we click on the slider, we can change the strength, meaning we can change how strong the reference image should be considered in the final output image. After doing enough experiments, I can tell you that leaving this at 100 is the best. Okay, now we actually need the image prompts. I won't come up with those myself, so let's go to Google's AI Studio. Let's pick Gemini 2.5 Pro. This one is the best. Now write a prompt that goes something like this. I want to generate 9 Instagram images. It should be Instagram images of a male in his 40s that is an online influencer, financial guru, fitness freak, and relationship advice giver, you know what I mean. Well, please give me 9 images prompts so I can generate 9 images of him, and people get an idea what kind of person he is. And yes, also so they see that he is high status and successful, etc. Now copy the first image prompt and paste it into Midjourney and generate it. Wow, the resemblance is amazing. Now let's generate the rest. Just amazing. For some reason, prompt 8 and 9 gave me errors. So yeah, I simply told Gemini what had happened and Gemini gave me new prompts that actually worked. Now I will upscale the ones I like most, and of course download them. Now you can create the Instagram page of your AI mentor. I was too lazy to actually create a new email address and create an actual Instagram profile, so I used this website to create a mock-up so you have an idea how it will look like. Now let's ask Gemini for a name suggestion, Instagram name and bio. Marcus Sterling sounds great. Here, look, this is his Instagram profile. I also created some individual image post mockups. Here are the results. Okay guys, now I will show you method 2, which is 100% free. We will use Leonardo AI to generate the images first. Leonardo AI is free to use, and you get daily 150 credits. Simply add the Gemini image prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 1:1 and generate it. This will take like 30 seconds. Let's generate 3 prompts. Now download the ones you like most. Next up, we will need to open up Discord. Click on the plus symbol and create a new private Discord server. And give it a name like AI Mentor or AI Guru. Now click the Insight Facebot Discord invite link, which is in the description. Now add the bot to your AI Mentor server and authorize the access. Now when you are back in your private Discord server, you should see in the right the face swap bot. Okay, now type / and then select Save ID. Add the passport image. Now add an ID name and remember it. I will type Marcus. Now press enter so the ID will be created. After the ID has been created, we will type / again. This time we will click on Swap ID. Now type the ID name, so in my case, Marcus. And now add one of the images we generated in Leonardo AI and press enter. I will also do this for the other 2 images we generated in Leonardo AI. Here are the results. We get 2 different swapped image versions. Download the one you like most. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the original and swapped image. Now guys, I wanted to show you something cool, but it didn't work. But nonetheless, I wanted to bring your attention to this because this will work in the future. When we go to Google's AI Studio, we can now click on Video Gen. And as of now, it doesn't allow us to generate videos with people, but otherwise you could bring your AI Mentor images to life using this tool. And yeah, maybe while you're watching this video, they already made it possible for you to do so. So yeah, grant Google permission and then add an AI Mentor image and say what you want to see and let it generate. As a bonus, I want to show you how you can add a voice to your AI Mentor and create YouTube video with him. So yeah, I quite simply asked Gemini to give me a plain script for a 1-minute financial advice video. Now let's go to 11 Labs and create the voice. Click on the plus symbol next to the voices and now go to voice design. Now you can write a prompt here or simply change a few words like this. Now let it generate and preview the voices. If you do not like it, you can generate it again. Let's pick this one and give it a name and add a tag. Now, when we go to text-to-speech, we will add the Gemini script and choose our newly created AI mentor voice. Now generate it.
Hello, I'm Marcus Sterling. In the world of finance, complexity can often be a barrier.
Sounds great, let's download it. Let's add it to CapCut. Add an image of him and resize it. Let's add his name to the top right. Now generate some captions and choose a nice template. And while this is already perfect as it is, for example for YouTube or even better a podcast, we will now add our actual AI mentor as if he is talking and alive. We will go to Hey Jen, click on Create Video, now on Avatar Video, and now Landscape Video. Now click on Create New Avatar and press Custom Photo Avatar. Now add your AI mentor image. Fill out all these things and continue. When we click on it, we can also add more looks to the avatar. So let's add this image of him explaining things. Great. Let's select this image and delete the script and add our own 11 Labs audio. Now press submit and give your project a name. While this is being generated, here is a random AI video for you. Okay, nice, our generation is done.
Hello, I'm Marcus Sterling.
Amazing, let's download it. Now we will add it to CapCut and add a round mask to it and resize it. I am doing this so it looks more realistic and so people cannot see all the details. Now let's add some stock footage related to the video topic. Just use Pexels and search for the videos and download them. I will create a compound clip out of all of the stock footage, and then I will add a blur effect and some retro effect. Now go to adjustments and make the exposure lower so the captions will be more visible. Now for some background music, I looked for some classical inspirational music in the YouTube audio library. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result of that bonus video, let us talk about the potential of an AI mentor. It is amazing. Simply amazing. I mean, you build your following, You genuinely help people and get paid for it. Like I said, those AI influencers are old news. There are tons of those out there, and on top of that, stuff like that can get you banned from traditional social media platforms. So, yeah, take this opportunity and start creating your own AI mentor. Start small and build it day by day. Be sure to check in with reality and all the new AI advancements, so just subscribe to Mr. Lemon. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Hello, I'm Marcus Sterling. In the world of finance, complexity can often be a barrier, but I believe true financial empowerment comes from understanding a few core principles. Today, let's talk about one: making your money work for you. Too often we work for our money, then let it sit idly. The key shift: consistent, deliberate action. Start by automating. Set up a regular transfer, no matter how small, from your checking to a dedicated savings or investment account. Pay yourself first, before the bills, before the discretionary spending. Treat it like your most important financial obligation. Then put that saved capital to work. Whether it's a diversified index fund for long-term growth or a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund, the goal is the same. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. Time is your greatest ally here. Small, consistent efforts over time yield remarkable results. So, your takeaway today: automate your savings, invest wisely, and let time be your partner. It's simpler than you think. I'm Marcus Sterling. Make your money count.